Today we witness the next major milestone for our initiative with this groundbreaking ceremony to officially launch the partnership between Samoa Submarine Cable Company and TE Subcom to build, own and operate a new submarine cable depot in Samoa to service the South Pacific Marine Maintenance Agreement. This milestone is very significant for Samoa given the size and reputation of the US-based TE Subcom, a publicly listed company, a pioneer in undersea communications technology